Alright, doing this video again because work had to be done on the vehicle where the battery was disconnected. And as usual, locally in my country, Jamaica, whenever it is that work is done, sometimes the workmen go right ahead and do stuff without doing any consultation first, but sometimes it's necessary. Now, the code that I got from Japanradios is specific to my radio, so do not use this code on your radio. Only the only time that you use a code is when you purchase it directly from Japanradios, and you have the option to put it in. So my code is, and there we go. Wow. And that's it. My radio is unlocked once again, and I can go right ahead and use everything. And that's it.